This is Cars You Can Fix. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2017 Toyota Tacoma, 3rd generation. Let's get to it. Okay, we have 2 clips here we're going to undo. One there, pull that out. Same with this side. And pull that out. Now you'll notice there's 2 tabs, they go into slots here in the back. So you're going to push it this way and then remove it up. And it comes right out, and pull your air filter out. You'll see there's a little bit of sand in there, some debris. We're going to go ahead and vacuum that out. Now let's check out our new filter. We're using Toyota OEM. Okay, so go ahead and lift up. Pop that in there. Get the tabs in the back to fit in first. Make sure your clips are out and out of the way. Then you can go ahead and clip those back on. And that's it. We're all done. This is Cars You Can Fix. Thanks for watching.